the strategy was good. Unfortunately, we just collect 1 point, but I hope that this fantastic attitude can continue for the next match because we need. Selamat malam. I think was a fantastic game. Many opportunities for the two sides.
Saya kira ini adalah pertandingan yang cukup luar biasa dan banyak peluang dari kedua tim.
On the first half, Bali better than us. Have 4 goal attempts. We just have 3.
Ya, di babak pertama Bali lebih baik daripada kita. Mereka memiliki 4 peluang dan kita cuma memiliki 3.
But on the second half, I just remember 2 situations of Bali, and at least from our side was 5.
Ya, dan di babak kedua berbeda. Saya cuma mengingat 2 situasi yang saya mungkin bisa bilang peluang kepada Bali, dan dari sisi kita membuat 5 kesempatan.
There are some situations that sometimes the wasit can define more quickly. I know that the VAR is the first time that happened here, but it's too much time to check the things. But okay, we believe on the VAR and we hope that the decisions were well.
Ya, dan ada beberapa situasi yang saya berharap wasit sekiranya bisa untuk mengecek lebih cepat. Dan saya tahu ini pertama kalinya VAR diadakan di Indonesia dan kita percaya kepada VAR. Namun saya berharap sekiranya mereka bisa melihat momen-momen atau mengilas momen-momen lebih cepat.
Was a game with many difficulties from our side. Before the game, you already have some players that are not 100% on the bench, and some players that are inside also not 100%. Some players that stay on Makassar because are injured or sick. So make substitutions. The first substitutions was injuries. Many young players come inside against experienced players, experienced team, experienced coach. And I think this was what made the difference. Because I believe that if we not change too much, maybe today we can make history and collect the 3 points here. But we must be happy. 1 point away against a strong team like Bali. I think it's good, it's positive. But for the sacrifice that our players make today, I think they deserve the 3 points.
Ya, dan saya kira jelang pertandingan kita sudah dilanda banyak kesulitan terkait skuad kita, yang mana banyak pemain yang tidak 100%, bahkan di bench pun ada pemain-pemain yang tidak 100%, ada pemain yang baru pulih dari cedera dan ada yang masih cedera, dan bahkan pergantian pertamanya kita mengganti pemain yang cedera melawan tim yang bagus, yang memiliki pengalaman yang bagus. Pemain-pemain mereka berpengalaman, bahkan pelatih mereka berpengalaman. Dan saya kira kalau kita tidak terlalu banyak berubah sebelum-sebelumnya tim kita, saya kira kita bisa membuat sejarah dengan menangkan pertandingan di sini. Namun kita mendapatkan 1 poin, harusnya kita senang. Tapi dari kerja keras yang saya lihat dari pemain-pemain kita, dari attitude yang mereka tunjukkan, saya kira mereka layak mendapatkan 3 poin.
Yeah, I was happy, and so this 1 point we have to think be positive because we have many match in this month, and we have to keep going and work hard together.
Terima kasih Coach. Saya Iko dari Radio Walisita. Pertama saya ucapkan selamat kepada Basa Makassar yang bisa meraih 1 poin. Dan pertanyaannya, apa strategi yang menjadikan PSM begitu disiplin dari menjaga area pertahanan sehingga menyulitkan Bali United untuk mampu menciptakan banyak peluang dan nyaris tadi sebenarnya sempat unggul 1-0 sebelum disamakan menjadi 1-1. Apa strateginya?
Yes, it's true. But we must be humble and realist that on the first half, the best opportunities was from Bali. We have 3 and they have 4. And I think better opportunities was from the side of Bali on the first half. But after on the second half, they have 2 and we have 5. But we must create a strategy according with the players that we have. Because on this moment, we have many players injured, some of them sick. And today, we must put players that are injured, that maybe in another situation, I not bring them to the game here in Bali. But we don't have, unfortunately, this season, unlucky, everything happened to us. But I am proud of the sacrifice of the players because of some of them make more than 2 positions defending. Because we must see in the other side there is a team with many experience, not just the local players, but also the foreign players. See, just the number 6 have less than 30 years old. All the others are more than 30 years. And these sometimes they can remove the emotion. And I have a young team that not control the emotion. When we are winning, we need to have more possession ball, you know. But sometimes it's difficult because our field on Makassar not allowed for weekend training the possession ball because it's not the facilities that here on Bali have. So we need to training and to develop according with the players and the facilities that we have. But the strategy was good. Unfortunately, we just collect 1 point. But I hope that this fantastic attitude can continue for the next match because we need.
Melihat penampilan Ardiansyah menggantikan posisi Irmansyah kiper utama selama 90 menit meski ya cukup bola di menit kita gimana coach?
I believe that he tried to do the best because I remember also on the first half he make a good save. Like Maringá, today make at least 4 fantastic saves in my opinion. So the responsibility to consider the goal, we cannot say that is just from the goalkeeper. It's all the team. We lose together, we win together, we draw together on this situation. He's more one young player. If you see, we put many young players inside of the pitch. We are the youngest team of Liga Sato. And sometimes these mistakes with too much emotion, Bali supporters make here a fantastic environment. I think these kind of games need more to improve the Liga Sato. I think it's important, these kind of games, with good facilities, with good support, with fair play. I think if there are more games like this, I think Liga Sato is going to be better.